Bubble.
Until
Because
it
this
touch
is
the
the area we
bottom.
mix the ingredient, the
Take it
powder,
out.
put it into the machine, and then we create
And
the
3 times for
incense.
me. 1, 2, 3.
เออเลย
Over here. Okay. Give it a try.
But now it's hybrid and easy to break. We need factory to create.
Remember the one that she chopped?
นี่เกิดเย้
This is the way
Ah.
they make. Can be into the bag,
อ๋อ
hat. Recently also for the mat. And in the past, we often use that to make the roof.
เย้
And then another layer is the palm leaf.
Yep.
But because right now we use the modern roof, so this one comes as a kind of the tourist product.
เย้
A lot of things you see in the
How can be very soft
it's very soft.
yeah very soft and that's bamboo that the girl what they try to do was for the tin that's why they can make mud because they make something else
I think that's happy.
yeah I will go happy that's one
Yeah,
you come here first yeah I will go happy
Try to guess what is this?
oh
One by one because it's different powder.
oh
So like nutmeg or something?
no no what we can cook we think
Yeah, we can cook. So right, it's how about this?
they're the same the one where we cook hello
No, it's different.
No?
I don't know what it is, but it's different.
How about this?
the same
Much stronger.
Much
Still
stronger.
cinnamon, but mixed with some agar wood.
yeah so
This one may be difficult for you.
you know maybe something from fruit
Like tea.
blood pea
This one is one of the material we cook the pho noodle.
Oh.
Star
can
anise.
cook
Star anise. This one, the last one.
that
Of
one
course, we have more powder, but here there's some sampling. This one is a mix.
mix this one mix us can cook
This one is a herbal. The mix of lots of ingredients inside herbal. And this is good for the health. Because when they create, it's not just another incense. Sometimes we make into like the triangle powder and you burn in your home for the fragrance when you do the meditation, tea ceremony or something like that. Even the spa they also use it.
Oop.
This is the incense stick. After dyeing the color.
Oh,
So they will put the white one with the powder.
Yep.
And this is the color beautiful one you see as outside, right?
Yep.
So when you put into the machine, you will see the way they are making the incense. In the past we use by manually, but now we use the machine. This is the powder, then make it.
oh
When you put into the you put the pink color this way.
oh oh okay see
Okay,
big
it's still soft,
you can see
moisture.
you see
Oh,
so yes one that's why we can do
pink color.
Happy stand over. No that's one I can see you
Yeah.
yep oh
It's quickly, right?
yeah quick oh yeah okay let it see
Perfect.
yeah good job good job so they dry after that alright auntie do some you do I give you picture you stand from that side auntie you from Peter get out yep you do have it then
Not only the only incense, it goes two ways.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only that you use the purple
Yeah.
one.
Oh, this purple one.
Yes.
Either.
Do you use some color?
And you can click this for picture as well.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Remember, to put the red part first, okay? This part first through the hole. After, I will explain it. Why
Okay.
yes.